positive connector is tucked away in a glove to the side. The negative connector is in a glove and tucked to the side. There's a simple bolt on the left-hand side. It is 13 millimeters, and then we'll want to plop it onto an extension. Go in, step in the car, put the 13 on, comes right out, remove the bracket. Step into the vehicle for the final time. The battery is heavy. That should just lift right out. And there you go. Looks okay to me. Congratulations, you've gotten your battery out of your 987. Take your new battery, place it in, being careful not to damage any of the internal components. And then slide it all the way to the right. You'll want to watch out for these black pipes towards the passengers in the car, as well as this electrical connector. The bracket goes the upward side towards the battery. And we're going to switch away from power tools to avoid damaging. So when reinstalling the bracket, the upwards curve goes towards the battery. There's a bolt hole there. Plop it in the bolt hole and start it by hand and make sure it's aligned with the battery. No need to over tighten. The bolt's position keeps the battery in position. Remove the glove from the positive terminal and start with the positive. Be careful not to over tighten. Don't make it too loose either. Leave a towel or some gloves. Gently lower the hood onto these without applying too much force. That way, it won't lock into position and you won't get locked out of your car. Because otherwise, if you close the hood, there's no way of reconnecting the battery aside from going into the wheel wells. Like and subscribe for more videos. Right now, we're working on a head unit upgrade, new shift cables, a new water pump, and more, including brakes and coolant and brake fluid.